Given that the marginal cost function is equals to 32 plus 18q minus 12q squared and the fixed cost is 43, find the total cost function, the average cost function, and the variable cost function.
Recall that total cost is equals to the integration of marginal cost, and the average cost, which is AC, is equals to the total cost all over total cost all over output, which is Q, and the variable cost is equals to the total cost minus the fixed cost. Okay, now let us proceed with our solvings. With this, we can proceed to solve this question. Okay, let us start by first, let us determine the total cost. The total cost is equals to the integration of marginal costs. So if I want to integrate the marginal cost function, the marginal cost function is this: MC is equals to 32 plus 18q plus minus 12q squared. This is the marginal cost function. If I want to integrate this from the integration formula, if I have n x raised to the power of n, if I want to integrate x raised to the power of n, is equals to x raised to the power of n plus 1 all over what? N plus 1. If I want to integrate 2x, this will be 2x raised to the power of 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1, which is also the same thing as what? 2x raised to the power of 2 all over 2. Now, if I want to integrate 32q, if you integrate a constant will take a value of a variable. In this case, the variable here is quantity, which is q. So if I want to integrate this marginal cost, I'm going to have integral MC is equals to 32q, because this is a constant, it's only going to take the value of q, plus if I integrate 18q, this q is also the same thing as q raised to the power of 1. So if I want to integrate 18q, I'm going to have 18q, the one there before we had, I'm still going to add another one all over 1 plus 1 minus 12 q raised to the power of 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1. Okay, let us proceed. Integration of MC, which is also the same thing as total cost, is 32q plus 18q raised to the power of 1 plus 1. That is 18q raised to the power of 2. And this is also the same thing as 2. So 18 divided by 2, that is 9q squared. 9q squared minus 12 divided by 3, that is 4q raised to the power of 3. So therefore, the integral of marginal cost function is 32q plus 9q squared minus 4q raised to the power of 3 plus c. Now we have determined the integral form of marginal cost function. Now don't forget that the total cost is equals to the variable cost plus fixed cost. The total cost is the integral of the marginal cost, and it can also be represented as variable cost plus fixed cost. Now, if you look at this integral form of marginal cost, you can see that there is a constant term. The constant term is the fixed cost. So the total cost is equals to 32q plus 9q raised to the power of 2 minus 4q raised to the power of 3 plus, don't forget that the fixed cost is 43. So therefore, I'm going to add 43 in this place. So the total cost is 32q plus 9q squared minus 4q raised to the power of 3 plus 43. Now let us determine the average cost. The average cost is total cost divided by q. So I'm going to have average cost is equals to the total cost, which is 32q plus 9q squared minus 4q raised to the power of 3 plus 43 all over q, this all over q, this all over q, and 43 all over q. So the average cost now is equals to 32q divided by q, that is 32, plus 9q squared divided by q, that is 9q, minus 4q raised to the power of 3 divided by q, that is minus 4q squared, and plus 43 all over q. So therefore, the average cost function is 32 plus 9q minus 4q raised to the power of 2 plus 43 over q. Now let us calculate the total the variable cost function. To determine the variable cost function, don't forget that variable cost is equals to total cost minus the fixed cost. Variable cost is equals to total cost, which is 32q plus 9q squared minus 4q raised to the power of 3 plus 43. Total cost minus fixed cost minus, what's the fixed cost? The fixed cost is 43, so this is minus 43. So the variable cost is equals to 32q plus 9q raised to the power of 2 minus 4q raised to the power of 3 plus 0. So in that case, the variable cost is what? 32q plus 9q raised to the power of 2 minus 4q raised to the power of 3. So we have determined the total cost, the average cost, and the variable cost function. Thank you for watching the video. If you didn't understand how to integrate a function, you can go back to the channel and watch video on it.